Religion is for people who are afraid of going to hell. Spirituality is for those who've already been there. I believe much trouble and blood would be saved if we opened our hearts more. Chief Joseph. His grandfather had often told him that he tried too hard to move trees when a wiser man would walk around them. I have learned that the point of life's walk is not where or how far I move my feet, but how I am moved in my heart. The most beautiful thing in the world is a heart that is changing. Attending to your own words and ideas as well as those of others is an admirable trait in any person, but a necessity in a leader. Our first teacher is our own heart. Man belongs to earth, earth does not belong to man. Seek wisdom, not knowledge. Knowledge is of the past, wisdom is of the future. Everyone who is successful must have dreamed of something. The frog does not drink up the pond in which he lives. Take only memories. Leave only footprints. If we wonder often, the gift of knowledge will come. All plants are our brothers and sisters. They talk to us, and if we listen, we can hear them. You already possess everything necessary to become great. Tell me and I'll forget. Show me, and I may not remember. Involve me, and I'll understand. Those who have one foot in the canoe, and one foot in the boat, are going to fall into the river. The weakness of the enemy makes our strength. We will be known forever by the tracks we leave. Man has responsibility, not power. Life is not separate from death. It only looks that way. When we show our respect for other living things, they respond with respect for us. You can't wake a person who is pretending to be asleep. It is less of a problem to be poor than to be dishonest. It is no longer good enough to cry peace, we must act peace, live peace and live in peace.